Jadis. Good morning. Daddy, this is morning time at home. There's Jadis' little legs, propped up by Mandy. There's my Ed. Sleeping. It's morning nap time, Doc. It's morning nap time. What do you think, Michael? Nice little baby. She got her toenails painted this weekend, and she loves them very much because she's fascinated that they belong to her. Say good morning to him?
Just don't show my face.
Okay. Say
morning, baby. I love you. I look like health. You're not allowed to see me.
Fair enough. Bye, Michael.